Hello everybody. In this short demonstration, I'm going to show how we can use PlayPosit to create interactive video lessons or quizzes. So PlayPosit is a LTI tool. So we can actually um, see it here integrated in Canvas. So since it's a LTI tool, we can actually use Canvas assignment feature to edit as an assignment. So let's do that. So I'm gonna name it as um, PlayPosit demo. So you can add some text over here as well. So and then over here as an external tool, we need to actually find it. Okay? And if you click on this one, the PlayPosit will open in a new tab. We want it to embedded in Canvas. So I'm gonna uncheck this. Okay. And I'm gonna click find, and we'll see it here in this list. Okay, so I'm going to scroll it down and click on PlayPosit. It'll take a couple of seconds to load this page. All right, so we're going to add a new bulb. So we're going to click enter PlayPosit and click on add new bulb. So it will open a new tab. Okay, so the video source. So this is where we can actually click the source. So the usual place here at CTI, we actually have it already in YouTube, and then get the URL and then use it input URL. So I'm going to use one of my short videos. This one, I'm going to copy the URL and then come over here and then input URL and set it. Okay. So it will automatically pick the video's name. So I'm going to change it over here to play pause it. All right, and click done. All right, so now we can add interactions. We can click here to use a template as well. There are several templates available, or simply we can click on this button to add an interaction at the time it's showing us. Okay. So, so I'm gonna drag this over here and then add a sample question, maybe right here. Yep, right here. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
We can
So,
further.
all right. So I'm gonna click this button and I'm going to add a. So this is showing the number of types of question that we can add. Multiple choice, check all, free responses, fill in the blank. So here at CTI, so we tend to use multiple choice, check all, and fill in the blank type questions because nobody is going to check these responses. Okay, so I'm gonna add fill in the blank. So example question. All right. So sorry. Yep, cancel this. Add an interaction. Fill in the blank. All right. So I'm gonna say um, the number, let's say 5678.9. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna say 5,000 plus now add input blank, say 80 plus, oh, sorry, 60 plus another blank plus zero point 0.9. Okay. All right. So the blank should be here. It's 600, right? And then here it should be well, it should be 70. Yeah, it should be 70. And then 8. Okay. All right. So there are some advanced features, and we can then click here and then take a look. It's required, and then pauses the playback. Um, I usually click learners can rewind after reaching that point. So if they want to take a look what has been the previous instruction, they can rewind. Allow more than one attempt. Yeah, here at CTI it's infinite. Okay. Um, so we usually click this one as well. Um, we can click this button as well. Um, yeah, I think we are good. Okay. So done. Right. So the interaction is added now, but we can click again to edit it. So I'm going to set the placement. So by default, it's on the sidebar, which will not be visible to the student. Okay. So the best place for a question like this should be within the frame. So we can actually select a suitable place for this one, and then when we hover around on the screen, it will show you where it's gonna go. So I usually pick a place where they can see the content as well. So I mean, sometimes it may not be possible, but and right here, probably a suitable place. Okay. And you can see that the content also visible to them as well. Okay. So we can also click on timing and then fine tune and adjust the place where we can actually the frame where we can uh, place the bulb. Okay. All right. So I think so. We just added a one interaction, and then you can also open the template gallery and pick more question as well, or we can add your own on the place you want to add as well. As a rule of thumb, we if it is a 10 minutes video, we usually pick 4 to 5 questions. Um, and yeah, so once we are done with the adding interaction, we are ready to review. So click on review, and you can add a learning objective over here. So I'm not gonna add those things, but I usually add them as well, and then tags, playback options, and these tags are helpful for searching a video as well, and playback options. These are global options, so we're going to change some of these. We're going to allow learners to rewind. Okay. Um, allow learners to skip. No, it's usually we are strict on making it mandatory. All right. So fast forward also not allowed, and allow learners to retake bulbs. So if it is zero, it means they can take it indefinitely. Allow us to view there. We can leave it or check as well. It doesn't matter. Um, uh, Allow learners to increase playback speed. I think we are good now. Okay, so under privacy, and then it's we usually keep that invisible within CTI. Okay, so save changes. Now it allows to save the bulb. Okay. So now the tab updated and then asks us to close, and then we'll go back to our tab, and then now the list gonna get updated with the video we just created. So this one. So now we need to set the bulb. So we added the new bulb, so it's already here showing us. So if you hover around this canvas icon, you can see set bulb link. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. And it's self-place. And then there are more options, but it is self-place. So link. Okay. So select, and you can actually save and publish at this point. So one more. Yep. So let me just save and publish this. Okay. All right. I'm gonna edit this one. I think I forgot one. Yeah, yeah. I think let this one. So I'm gonna change this one. So we want since this is a video, we can actually embed the video within the Canvas assignment page. So that's the best option. So I'm gonna uncheck this one and save. I simply forgot that. All right. So we can actually see the video. Okay. So you can re-enter in PlayPosit, or you can preview as well. So I'm gonna enter PlayPosit and then show you one more options we have. Okay. So we have the so if it is the same time, usually it will be on the say on the top usually. You can always search from the name here as well. So you can filter videos. Um, you can change the bulb link to a different one if you want. But for example, let's say if you want to edit the video again, you can click on the thumbnail of the video and it will show you the options. Okay, you can copy it. You can simply duplicate the video. You can preview. You can collaborate. That means it will provide you a link to share with someone else. You can go change settings, so you can edit the video as well. Okay, so these are the options that you have. I'm not going to change any of these, so I'm gonna leave it there, and then click back. So I'm gonna check the student view. Okay, see if it's there. Okay. So this is the student's view. Um, all right. All right, so student can play this one, and you can see that it's actually playing. Um,
Hello
all right.
everyone. The ob-
So there's a couple of things. If this assignment creation using PlayPosit doesn't work, let me know. There are some dependencies. So PlayPosit use browser cookies to interact with Canvas. So for that, we need to enable third-party cookies. If this gives you an error, please let me know and I can actually sit down with one-on-one and troubleshoot. Okay. Otherwise, it's really straightforward. It's a great tool to add interaction, and then we can make passive watching to active watching this way, and even add higher order thinking interactions as well. All right. So this is my short video of introducing PlayPosit. I hope it will be helpful. Thank you.